Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trina. This is Decorating Made Easy. On this channel, if you are new here, we share everything that's home decor related, including some DIYs, some simple recipes, and just simply some lifestyle videos. So after watching this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Okay guys, I just want to come on here and just tell you guys that we have reached over 100 subscribers. So I'm a little bit late with this giveaway. So I wanted, every time I reach a milestone, I want to share something with you all, because you all are the reason why I'm able to achieve my milestones. So when I started YouTube as a hobby. This is not my full-time job. So I am doing this for fun. This is a hobby. I love decorating. I love sharing my ideas and my creativity with you all. And I love you guys' love and support. You guys have been awesome and bearing with me with this YouTube journey, and I appreciate all y'all love and support. So with that being said, every time we have a milestone in this channel, I want to share a little bit of that milestone and that blessing with you all. So today is we'll do our first giveaway on this channel, which would be our 100 subscriber giveaway. We are a little bit over 100 subscribers, which is awesome. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. So we're going to be doing a $25 Visa gift card giveaway. And then I'll announce the rules and everything in this video, so then you guys can enter and win, and it'll run for about a week. So every time we have a milestone, we'll have a little small giveaway. So our next milestone after this one would be 500 subscribers, and then we'll do a giveaway. So it'd be 500, 1,000, and then so on and so forth. But I just want to show y'all that I really appreciate y'all and all y'all love and support, and I thank y'all for hanging out with me and chilling with me and watching my videos. And okay guys, so the rules for the giveaway is very simple. It's only 3 rules. 1, you have to be subscribed to this channel. Yes, I'm sorry, but you do have to be subscribed to this channel. So all you guys who are watching my videos and are not subscribed, make sure you click that red subscribe button. I don't know what y'all waiting on, but make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you can enter this giveaway, and also so you can see all of my upcoming videos. So that's the first rule. You have to be subscribed to the channel. The next rule is I need you to go and follow me over on Instagram. My tag is at Decorating Made Easy, and I'll drop the link down there at the bottom of this video so you know where to go. And when you go over there, just simply drop me a comment and with the emoji of the hand waving, just to say hi, whatever like that. And then the third rule is you need to comment on this video, I heart decorating. And that's it, y'all. And then this giveaway will run for about a week. So today is the 14th, which is Thursday. And so y'all will be watching this video on Friday, because I'll try to upload it Friday. So it'll go from Friday the 15th to the next following Friday, and then we'll end up closing, and then we'll choose a winner. Okay, so this is just 3 simple rules or whatever. Subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment in the comments down below, I heart decorating. And then that's it. Anyway, so that's all I wanted to get on here and tell you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day and enjoy your weekend. And I appreciate all y'all love and support. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.